the end of the day, man, AI is just, it's here to make our lives easier.
Nah, man, I'm against it. AI is destroying our minds. It's destroying our creativity. It decreases the capabilities of umuntu izinto angazenza. Get it?
And
I feel like
but then AI helps you.
It helps. Yes, it helps.
To see the during your high school times.
People like you, ne? When you brag,
you like me?
No, yeah, people
like me?
No, people like you.
No, not people like me.
Let me finish my
like
sentence. I won't answer that. I don't like men.
No, I want to listen to you.
Are you going to allow me to? Okay.
No.
I'll
Let
talk
him
to you,
finish,
Jeff. It's fine. People like him, ne? When they brag about, for example, Magang Koshera Ngoguti, high five, what? It's simple. Those are facts. Uguti, yes, I don't have hands. Yes, I don't have 1, 2, 3.
But then.
Am I allowed to also brag? Welcome to Unmuted Chaos, episode 3. And I'm sure mafike kule episode 3 you already know ukuthi sekubani lo man. Ngithingisha intro ethi chok kwenye nenyula mfana uMekezele aka short stuff. Mfana unganazandla wenza izinto zenzeke ngisasho. Anginazandla but ngikwazi ukuzenzela yonke into bafethu. Mfana unganazandla wenza izinto zenzeke.
Danko.
Ngithanda abangithandayo, ngithanda abangizondayo because asikho isikhathi sokugcwalisa inhliziyo ngezinto ezimbi.
Issue.
So yeah man, love us. Please continue showing love man.
Uloyana umfana wakho Giovanni uMakhado Wise triple Z izithazaka zimzonela
ushebe and we have
Xavier Fitu Kikalushi Shisa
Jepa 101 from Gomora uyazi.
ha yeah man bafethu khambani ni grand
Screen wena.
My sweet. How's life?
Nah, I'm not grand.
What's How's life, bafethu?
Life is lifing, dog.
Stable.
Life is lifing,
Yeah.
Ukuncenga dog ukukalaxis.
Stable. So yeah man, niyazi kule podcast bafethu sihlezi sishubile yokuphela i-podcast where we educate and sizama ukuba funny like isifuna enjoy but after watching the video you must be
educated.
Thank you very much man.
So yeah, what's on the agenda today nje?
Agenda bengifuna siqale ngokuthi let's share the most sad story we have ever experienced man. You see? Yeah, let's share the most story share the sad story we have experienced. I know we are starting tense kule episode.
You sure?
We are starting tense kule episode, but
I ain't you tense.
Yeah?
Ain't you tense?
But sad stories tend to serve as, inspiration, and it shows abanye abantu, it educates abanye abantu on other people's struggles, and it also helps with ukusiza amajita ukuthi or other people to relate.
For sure.
Yeah.
And ukubonisa ukuthi we have experienced this, but sisaphila man. Into esifuna ukuyenza overcome then sibe healthy futhi and
and it helps,
Okay guys. Okay guys, I'm Giovanni from as you know, I'm Giovanni from Klerksdorp. It's a small town called Jobechin, extension 1. I will share like my sad story with you guys. Are you ready for that, guys?
We're listening,
Viewers,
bro.
are you ready for that? And you guys, are you ready for that?
Yeah.
Okay, it's something that you don't know. Maybe some of you don't know it. Okay. I'm Kamalo Giovanni. I used to school back then in Prestige High School. Yeah, I used to school in Prestige High School. Like my principal was like Memon Tuedi. I'm from Northwest. Okay, yeah. I used to smoke drugs. Ish. It's a story about me, dog. Ish. Yeah, I used to smoke drugs.
drugs anamagama ama-drugs
Yeah.
Yeah,
Educated.
no, relax, dog.
okay yeah
Yeah, I smoke drugs. Yeah, ngifaka abazali bami stress. Ish, that was not nice. Ne? I started using drugs in I think grade 9 when I was from Joburg.
Can I just ask one question? Ane?
Okay.
How did it happen?
How did it start? Yeah.
Like
Yeah, no,
what led up
I'm
to
standing
it?
there though.
Yeah.
Yeah, it started like we were like no guys, let's go to the swimming pool. Like we asked like this swimming pools like siapatala, like we pay
Public swimming pools. Public
yeah,
swimming pools.
public swimming pools. Yeah. We used to pay there to get in. So like it was like I went home, asked for money, and like if it's no, like guys, there was this other friend of mine. Should I call him by name?
yeah
fine.
if you have
No,
yeah,
I wouldn't advise that you do so. Yeah, but just
Okay, it was
Yeah.
M. Let me call that person M. Yeah, it was M, and we were like 5 by that time. Yeah. M told us no, Giovanni, no, like let's buy these. In Northwest they call it Ntash.
Dash
Yeah, Ntash.
Can
But
we
then-
educate the English viewers or people?
yeah
that-
on Dash
Yeah,
or
they
how
call
do you
Dash.
smoke
Yeah.
Dash?
What type of drug is
more
it?
likely it's more likely a cocaine, but then most people call it ked.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
ked.
I used to smoke ked. I started with ked.
Mm.
Yeah, we went to buy instead of going to the swimming pool, like we went to buy like this 25 rand bag. They smoked. Then like I was like, no, can I try this? And they were like, yes, sharp. I smoked and like I had like the hyperability, like you feel like I'm not hyper man.
Yeah.
They said no, let's go there. I was like, okay, fine. Avaya. Yeah. Then I became an addict. Yeah, I on a cat. I smoked cat like from grade 10, 9, 10, 11. I was an addict, but then not 100%. Yeah, but then yeah. And then I had this other friend, like I was new in this school, like secondary school. Excuse me. Like I was new in the secondary school, like Prestige. It's based on Northwest Alabama. Yeah, I smoked it, and like my friend like introduced me like more crystal meth.
Yeah, bangani
Eish.
bakho, dog.
Yes, yeah.
Frank.
Yeah.
No, not abangan bam. Like now I went into wrong friends at a good time. Understand? Yeah. So like Revela Ravaya, and like Rabangile Skolo, like and we like no. He was like Ariego, this other friend of mine. And we got there, Rabangile School, we got there. Now I was a permanent smoker, I cat. We got there, sharpo. They were smoking like crystal meth. And like I was like, nah, I get to be crystal meth, get to be cat. Okay, time it's a mail.
As time goes, yeah.
As time goes, like, avail. But then same day, I was like, Buffett, can go utlwa like crystal it tastes jwang. No, like there was this guy P Antuisa and like a utlwa man hyper man, like the legs, even the legs were like shaking. I was like, no, can I 50 rand there by my house? They were like, no, let's go there and get that 50 rand and buy the new bag. No, that's when I became an addict because of a friend. Understand? Then I smoked crystal meth, like I think my grade 11. Nah, happy guys, like grade 11 3 times.
Ile crystal meth,
crystal meth. No,
Yeah.
grade 11 like 3 times, guys. Like I won't lie about that. So my second year, mo grade 11, like I was supposed to go grade rehab because they found me go to the toilet at school smoking that crystal meth. So like my parents had to convince me, oh no, like Kamo, Giovanni. No, at my house, like they call me Kamo. Yeah. No, Mbulelo Kamo, you should go to rehab, this and this and this. And go school, like they told me, oh no, like if you don't go to rehab, we're gonna expel you. And like my mom said, not really my mom, but then my stepmom told me, come on, yeah, so that o kgone go kopantsha like life ya gago, o kgone go bona gore light e kae. And I was like, okay, because I used to school go boarding school go Zirast before I went to Prestige. I used to school go Motswedi High go Zirast, and they took me go no smoking Church of Chains, where they used to keep us on chains. They about you see like the injections. No, like Baufasa the chains. Imagine the dog, huh?
Why Baufasa the chain? Why?
No, like about inject, like it's basically a church, but then it's a rehab at the same time.
But why Baufasa the chain?
It's like a chain instead of it's like an injection. Cause most of like but Papa inject you.
Oh, you basically have like urges. It's like for when you have urges to try and like you can't do anything if you're under constraint basically.
Yeah. Because they're like how to be even a cigarette like I allowed. That's why they call it no smoking. Like how to be like anything, smoke everything. Whereby I used to smoke crystal meth, cat and Mendrex.
Hey, why do you eat too much?
One. Next shot I feel like when you're paying understand? But then what I'm until you when proud of like today I'm a new person. Like a sharp you can't even tell no like you were smoking drugs.
For sure. Yeah, you can't tell. Yeah, you can't tell.
Definitely.
I get proud of yeah. So like rehab,
How long and how many times?
I went to rehab like I think I went to rehab 20 I still remember the day, like 17th of November, whereby my birthday was on the 25th of November. Yeah, I went there on the 17th and then came out March, whereby escaped.
You escaped, like you ran away. Like you were not allowed to go out, but still you.
Like escape. Like escaping.
Yeah.
Yeah. But then same time I felt escape, like it's to be like relapse at the same time. It's really drugs, like for a long time. But then the same person introduced to the drugs. Not in a bad way, but then Santan Ali a user of drugs.
Lino.
Okay, let's do this. I guess you are no longer smoking drugs at all.
Yeah.
I guess you are no longer smoking drugs at all. So tell people, Uguti, like, how did you stop smoking drugs? Like educate people
And
like,
the science also, like basically it's up because I feel like it doesn't it doesn't become something that you just do, right? So I feel like something leads up to that. So
Yeah. Now let me answer like your question. Like the drugs, drugs. I saw like most of people like say tend to say like no home situation drugs. No, it's not like it's not that. Cause now I come from like le sharp even though it's but then sharp. Understand? but then to really drugs. Why? I could say because of
Peer pressure.
So your circle basically.
my circle.
Kirijo.
The peer pressure because okay, but that person guys. No, Giovanni this. You understand? That's how I ended up like smoking drugs. To answer your question,
What
Yeah.
made you stop? How did you stop?
no, like nuggets I'm ready rehab. Like I went to St. Park. I went to St. Park like twice. I went to no smoking once. And sometimes relapsed like when I came outside. So I told myself, Gucci, no. If ever get back out of the drugs, I'll tell myself, no, come. Like allowed to buy drugs. There is a better future beyond you. You understand? Rehab I know how to say. You can okay rehab like your parents back outside about rehab, but then you coming from rehab okay to wahab because like I also be ready for all the drugs. I also be play, but then now I saw a better future
For yourself.
for myself.
Okay. So, what advice can you give people that are smoking drugs and want to stop, but they are struggling to?
No, like choose like second along o tsamaleon. Choose a second along o tsamale mo go yone. Like choose what o tsamale bona.
So the main cause actually is peer pressure, to be exact.
No, it's peer pressure. Like second along mo go yone. O ka nna mo sekeleng e le goreng like ke di trunkets like batho ba ta go thata Monday to Monday. Understand? Ba go latlhela mo tabeng ya bona. So like but then if wena o itse go like what do you want in life? What do you want to achieve in life? O tlo di tlogela. O tlo tswa mo sekeleng yo bona no this guys ba interesang ntse go. Understand? Because like now I wasn't sure like go tlo fetsa matric because like my second year go grade 11 I was like no get to school because like my friends were to school during COVID. And I was like to school my mom like was like if ever to school a gona ngwana o tlo dula mo ntlong e asa tsena school. You understand? Yeah. That's how ke feel like a pusher hard because like matric ya ka ke fitse grade ke fitse term 1 term 2 term 3 term 1 term 2 prep ka pasa term 4 sharp. Like I made my mom proud, my stepmom proud. Understand?
Yeah.
I grew up like said my mom, but then this lady like took care of me. You understand? Yeah. That's why I get like but buy like but we drugs because like no home situation na ke na anger issues is our him ha ke na motswadi ha ke na mamang. There's no one I could call mama or papa. You understand?
And
But then
No, can we give a shout out to
to your stepmom, yeah. Shout out to your stepmom, yeah. Shout out to your stepmom.
shout out to you na mabon. So like ke vela ka decide ka tswa rehab ke man. This is not like the life I want. This is not the life elo nga phatla. What one?
Yeah.
And I was like no, ke tlo ga drugs. I'd rather smoke cigarette. What one? Ke tsome drugs. That's when I passed my matric. No, I'm a student doing my last 6 months, then be a graduate.
things are looking up?
Yeah.
Surely like September, October or next year, they'll be graduate. You understand? So like now advice I find like public or lesana gana gore di drugs di tlo go comfort it tlo ba comfort zone ya gago e sa nna letting you
They're actually destroying you more.
they will destroy and like these foreigners ba rekisang drugs ba benefit shell because now I need to be drugs like better spinning the haze why you again spinning the haze
Like it's more like ukuthathela abantu izinto.
spinning the haze angitshontshela abantu ngitshontshe kithi
So you're stealing from home.
from home
So that you could buy
drugs.
Okay, guys, I have a question for you, man. Do you think ichufu ya ama-drugs wamanje to the youth?
Well,
Because you see people go grade
Yeah,
smoking chufu.
it's a bad addiction,
I
and
feel like
bad
it's peer
addiction,
pressure
and it's
Yeah.
and
as
it's
well.
it's also accessible to kids, yeah, but which is a very concerning.
Especially makuleng.
Including Habli, ne?
Yeah.
And
Makuleng.
because chufu itola ko makuleng, yeah, you get it from the tech shops.
And mukula
Easily.
ka se re no ke tlo reka chufu ke bala grade 6 ke show 250 to reka chufu aka se re no o munyane
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
understand
Mm.
le drugs di jwalo.
So now I feel like, you know, the truth specifically, you know, it should be something that it should be reserved. You know, even with Hablis, right? It should be reserved to people that are
18
of
Above.
consent to
Above
Oh.
to say.
18
right?
above
Which is-
because
Like alcohol.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
18 years wa itse o batla mo phelo.
exactly.
Or 20 years.
Yeah.
No, 18
No,
years.
18 is
18 is
okay
fine. 18
because-
is fine.
because vele, you know, even alcohol laws, you know,
Yeah.
you
But
qualify
then,
once you're
yeah,
18. You know.
advice e lo reng ka lefa yone. I won't say it in English, dog. I'm not good at it. But then I'll speak in like my mother tongue. Like advice ke tlo lefa yone as youth ya South Africa. Yeah. Kopana to le drugs because like a gona ko re tlo yang teng because of the drugs. Drugs ke ntho le reng e tlo trigger down.
Mm.
It will feletsa only a street kid, hobo or something whereby remember like go grade 2 or grade 3 you wanted to be a doctor or a lawyer. Like the drugs are now for opportunity ile or express gore like o talented ka eng.
Okay, we hear
Understand?
you.
Mm.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I just want to say, man, we are very like happy, especially me. I'm happy that you stopped drugs, and I'm happy Uguti you've noticed Uguti they are actually destroying and
Yeah.
not helping. Yeah, man, it's like drinking alcohol for, you know, uchwala nyapuza ne. But I don't drink alcohol to be happy. I drink alcohol when I'm happy to celebrate.
That's right.
Yeah, bo. It's like that. So like some substances won't help you, man. Substances won't help you at all. But yeah, Kalushi, do you have a sad story to share with us, my friend?
Like, oh, bit like it's organic. I don't really have a sad story
Yeah.
per se,
Mm.
but kikare, maybe sad stories like kemunka movie.
So yeah,
Like-
okay, yeah.
It's not really something like life
sad story.
threatening,
Hey,
like
life-
sad story.
That's also fine.
It's like Dozamo Jolo fail. You were there.
Heartbreak. Okay.
That's about it. I don't
Nah,
really have
nah,
a
it's
sad
fine.
story. God has been good. Shout out.
Shout out.
Shout
Praise the Lord. Jepa.
Nkulunkulu.
You know, I was also thinking, you know, the same thing, Uguti.
You wanna-
Eshbafethi, man, impilo, man, you know, is challenging in so many ways, right?
Yeah.
But for me, you know, I also wouldn't really say there is a sad story, you know, that I mean, there are sad stories, right? But like, you see, you know, when I'm thinking about a sad story, my goal is to educate, right?
Yeah.
It's to, there has to be a moral, right? Or that can maybe be drawn, right, from my story, like to maybe help other people, right? So, now I wouldn't really say I have a sad story, you know, besides the typical, you know, heartbreaks. Yeah. Now, what's your sad story, bro?
My sad story, dog, Uguti, it's not something we can educate about, but it's something I've experienced. 2021. You know when they say suicide is real? Suicide is real. I was born with a disability, right? I was born like this. I've accepted myself from birth. I even doubt ukuthi I've noticed ukuthi I'm disabled until maybe grade R1. Until I went to school, I'm not too sure. But my sad story happened in 2021 bro, when I lost my grandmother. When I lost my grandmother. 2021, July, my birthday month. Ne. Surely the story started before, but ukuthi I had to ukwenza operation.
Yeah.
I had a sickness or angazi bizwani called appendix.
Sure.
Appendix. I'm not too sure if you are aware of appendix.
I know.
Can you maybe
Appendix it's like when mele wenza operation esiswini, right?
Oh yeah.
And it's caused by izinto ezidom, like maybe eating brown bread kakhulu or Kingsley or like izinto ezinjalo. Another way, and we notice that icala ngathi uphethwe isiso. Then mawufike toilet akuphumi next, but uyezwa ukuthi like your stomach
it's full,
like it's
bloated,
painful.
bloated.
Yabo. I went to the hospital to make an operation. The operation was a success, but appendix ayiphumanga yonke esisweni sami.
How come?
I don't know. I had to go a theater again for the second time. I had to go a theater again for the second time. I went a theater for the second time. Ne. Ngaphuma e theater. Ngastitchwa ngama clips. Then mase ngiphola. Staples, yeah, staples. Then when like mase ngiseduze ngokuphola.
You had this.
But mele ngiye theater futhi cause befaka ama staples ne, but there's some things ephumayo through nani so but they assume ukuthi kuneyinye appendix ezifihlile. I had to go a theater futhi bakhipha ama staples with no injections. Bakhipha ama staples. After keep ama staples I refused ukuya theater futhi. Ne. Then I had to go a theater futhi cause but angeke ngiphole ngizohlezi ngisebuhlungweni.
Oh, imagine like that thing, like you always in pain.
Then this happened. I went to a theater. Ngaphuma theater. Mangiceda ukuphuma theater. My parents came and told me ukuthi ugogo wami uvayile. My grandmother passed away after going to the theater for the third time.
Bafethu our deepest condolences. Oh, isilungisini.
Yeah, our deepest condolences.
Yeah.
And that's not the end, bro. That's not the end. Abazali bami bangitshela ukuthi ugogo wami has passed away. My parents told me that my grandmother has passed away. My grandmother was not sick. Nothing.
She was an active person.
Nothing happened to my grandma. Bengeke ubone nokuthi ugogo, she was active. Bekalusa inkomo zakhe. That's how active she was. Uvele hawa abheke abantu. My parents came then, but he traditional healer or in.
Yeah, he's a traditional healer.
Yes, but he ninja. But my grandmother sacrificed her life for me.
Shout out.
Why is that?
Shout out.
Nigga, I didn't believe kulezo zinto. Kid you not. I didn't believe kulezo zinto. Kid you not. But my thing is, into ngicabanga ukuthi ngiphuma e theater. The following day, ugogo wami akasekho. Ne? Ugogo wami akasekho. Mangiphuma e theater, bathi ugogo wami akasekho, uvele hawo. Then usho izinto zokuthi she sacrificed her life for me. Loyo muntu bekaze lapho ukuthi mina ngisesibhedlela lo tshela abazali bami.
Abatshelanga abazali bakho.
Akabatshelwanga abazali. Ekasi bekangekho umuntu owazi ukuthi ngisesibhedlela. Esigela kuphela.
Shothi maybe
Esigela kuphela.
if yena umuntu vele obelieve kulezi zinto lezo uthi yena bekasenza ukuthi something is wrong.
Cause remember, hey. Cause think about it like this, ne? think about it like this. I didn't want anyone to know ukuthi ngine operation. Ekas.
Yeah.
At school it was fine because like isikolo sabantu aba disabled.
Usually very.
Ekas, I didn't want anyone to then kuza leyo nto leyo. That's the set. That's the, like namanje like angithembi ukuthi like ngifuna ugogo wami la. Enye into ukuthi ugogo wami ka bekanyenzela yonke into. Bengitefa mfethu. Mina mama makangishouta or mangichika or mangithuselwa ngenduku, I used to run like ngigijimele kumagogo. Bengiyekho into engikhalelayo kugogo bese ngingayitholi. Yabo. But yeah man, iyo is sad story experiencing.
Yeah man, I'm so sorry that you had to go through that.
Yeah,
But like,
man.
how did you overcome that situation, bro? Like, did you seek out like therapy?
No, I didn't go to therapy.
Then how did you overcome? Because you said you mentioned suicide, right?
I've made
But
like
how were you able
so
to?
like bengicabanga ukuzibulala a lot of times because of that. And yeah, I forgot to include ukuthi the most part engizusubhlungu ukuthi because bengise hospital I couldn't even go to my grandmother's funeral.
Ish.
I couldn't even go to my grandmother's funeral. That's what hurts me the most. But how did I overcome the situation? Azange kuma therapy. None. I went to grave kagogo wami. Whenever I'm feeling down, I go there and talk to her alapho. I think expressing my feelings to her alele lapho made me feel better. I think that's the way for me. I'm not saying everyone must believe to that, but that worked for me. Yeah, but yeah man, singabi kuma sad story kakhulu nani. Guys,
Yebo.
aseni kuma chaotic thought then guys. Chaotic thought. Where should we start?
Our famous DJ in Alexandra.
Jepa. My chaotic thought is related to artificial intelligence, AI, specifically in the music industry. Do you guys know Suno?
Yeah,
Suno
my way
AI.
ile yenza music ne.
Yeah, so you type in a prompt and then what it does, you just mention the type of genre that you want, and then it tries to generate or it generates a song based off the prompt that you've written.
How do you feel about that before I end the podcast? Yeah, there is a song out.
I should be an artist like that.
So for me as a creative, you know, it's I feel like it's not really creative, right? Because I feel like
It's
artistry is an art, right? It's the process of carving, right, your work. So for me personally, I don't resonate with AI music, and you know it really hurts me, right, when I hear AI music like mainstream, right? And a lot of people listen to AI music, but they don't really know.
Notice.
Yeah, they don't know what AI music is, right? But it's really easy to differentiate like what AI, like between authentic music and AI music, like specifically the vocals. Most of the time the vocals are too clean, right?
Yeah, it's
like,
they are perfect.
Don't they all
they are
sound
too
the
clean.
same though?
No, they can sound
Some
different, right?
female-
So like
female.
AI, so like like it can like make your music like or lyrics
From the scratch, including
or
the
lyrics,
beats.
No.
Yeah, so
Everything.
what you do,
No,
right?
like I mean like lyrics, like it can make them like flow.
And get it?
yeah,
You
so
know
when
what?
it generates the song.
So it's
Okay,
like,
Kalushi, I think you wanted to mention something. You can.
No, I wanted to explain them how they do it. You know what you do, ne? It's like, you're going to ChatGPT. What's a ChatGPT? ChatGPT can
what is
Right.
what is
Song
I
about
want-
this.
I want
photosynthesis?
this. I want this type of I want this type of cash.
No, like I'm like
No,
not,
whoa.
like not a bit.
Whoa, my
realistic.
man, I'll tell you. Whoa. Yeah. You go to ChatGPT, you tell ChatGPT, I want to do this type of song. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then ChatGPT go with this, okay, what type of song? then you give ChatGPT, okay, maybe inspired by Kabza the Small, Jipa, you know, DJ Daddy King,
yeah.
and then you go Gaia, it's gonna give you a prompt. Maybe I'll risk it dongo, it's gonna give you maybe a description of how you want the thing to be, and then when you go copy, paste
it go soon.
We go soon, no?
But
paste the prompt.
But
So
I feel like
like
Imosha game lento like isn't it?
Yeah, no, it's so I was about to get to that, right? In terms of creativity, right?
I'm gonna be an artist, like I'm gonna be an artist, like a lot of service at ChatGPT.
No, but it's not as straightforward as it was before, because now, you know, I think a lot of you know, what do they call them? DSPs, right? Like digital stores, right?
Sure.
Like Apple Music, Spotify. I feel like they've taken
They've excluded
a stance against AI generated music,
Oh
right?
yeah.
So what? Because you see what AI generated music does essentially, or how it ruins the game, or the industry, right? Is that you know when you're making music, right?
Sure.
It's very rare that you're working alone, right? You're always working with maybe let's just say you're working with a producer. You know,
royalties and so and
not
royalties, like
royalties is the money side. You know, we're talking about
the ethics.
No, we're talking about the
making
of
we are
the
talking
music.
about the making,
Right.
yeah.
So you're always gonna be working with somebody, right? Somebody's gonna be mastering your music for you. Somebody's going to be, you know, editing. You know, like langeko shapukona, young child. So now, how it kills creativity is or you know, or not really create, because you know you can be creative, you know, and still use AI to make music, right? But how it's killing the industry is that it's now proceeding to the point where, you know, people like artists, like producers, right? Or let's not say producers, beat makers, because a producer can be somebody that doesn't really make music, right?
Oh yeah.
Sure. So beat makers, right, for instance, they end up not really needing to work with other artists, like I'm a vocalist. So kakulu izobulala, I'm a vocalist, right? People that are singing, right? But ngakona, yes, there will be that percentage of vocalists that are able to stand out, that just have like their own unique sound, right? Like Abo Scotty, Abo Limeke, you know the typical Abo Stan. But the thing is that, you know, it's going to kill a lot of careers for DJs, or not DJs, but like
music wise, like artists
that are trying
no,
to,
like as Carlos said, like vocalists.
no musicians,
musicians,
right?
Producers.
It's going to kill a lot of careers for people that are still trying to make it, right? Like especially for vocalists, because a lot of vocalists will struggle, right, to get features, right? Like,
and their music, it's rare their music to be as good as AI.
Because you see, the other concerning thing is that I was watching a video, I think on TikTok, I think it was a couple of weeks back, and this guy, Suno, now the new version of Suno, because I think there's like version 3 point something, right?
Because I saw the app like more TikTok, like recently.
So Suno version 3, I think version 3 was released recently. Yeah, and what you can actually do now is that you can actually go to the core, like, of editing, like how you want your beat to sound, right? Like this guy was basically demonstrating how to make a Maskandi song. So this guy was
no.
He was like he was doing claps, actually do,
Yeah.
and then he would put he would separate like the like how the sections, right? Of like you know, the clap, the snare, you know.
So it gives you a project.
Yeah. And when that guy was done, that beat sounded exactly like a Maskandi beat. No cap. So
like don't you think like nah somehow like I do think, like, in my perspective view, I do think like Suno can I get Suno trade
Mike
can I get Suno trade or Ingi?
Soon,
like I saw it on TikTok, but then I think like it might be an easier way of
No,
you
but then
becoming
again,
an
like I
artist.
said, like I
No.
said, you know,
Or Kalush,
there's a lot
Kalush,
of
Kalush,
platforms.
Kalush.
There's
How do you see it then in your perspective?
When
view?
shit does Giovanni doesn't get the point. Dog. You don't get the point of this.
No, I get the point. Like I get the point.
We
No,
get
nah.
that. Listen, we get that it might be easier, yes,
To
but
make
it's,
music.
it is destroying the
the genre, like
It's
not-
destroying the culture.
the culture of
yeah,
music.
yeah. That's what I'm saying. But then, like in nah.
Okay,
To me,
you
to
can be
me,
a musician
To
using
me,
it.
I can be a musician.
No
using
way.
it.
No man, we
But
are
nowadays
against
it's
that.
becoming it's becoming much harder.
Why?
Right?
Why are you against that?
We are against that,
Why
man.
are
We
you
want
against
natural
Listen,
work.
listen.
We want creativity. We want to grow.
Okay.
This culture, it-
Wait.
No.
Aliama opinion, but which will cover that.
Okay, we'll cover.
Can
Yeah,
I
we'll
say
cover the
something?
opinion.
Let me-
it's fine.
Can you please share a verse for me?
Mina,
Yeah.
a freestyle.
Yeah.
Anginazandla nginamagama lento ngizalwe ngayo ngithole ngishaya ivesi ezindala zingibiza bafo ya ngifuna imali kodwa lento ngiyenza ngothando hayi intando kabawo hayi asiphume lapho continue my brother
I'm not finished yet. I'm not finished yet. So like, Unayo beat.
mina
Do you have the beat?
with this vocals
Yeah.
You just find a
you
producer.
just find the
mate.
producer
Okay. Do you think like if you ever like found a beat like what's no trade, like how would it be?
yabona manje ngisho ukuthi he doesn't
No,
get a
no,
point
no.
Yeah,
I get a point. I get a point.
No, it's fine. Let's move
No,
on. We
like-
can't stick into
no,
one topic
no.
for
Like
a
I
night.
said,
It's
like
fine.
I said,
It's fine.
like I-
It's fine. It's fine.
Okay,
It's
no.
fine.
So basically, like my okay, if I'm just concluding, right, is that the whole point of Isuno, right? It's but it's like there's nothing wrong, you know, with using AI, right, to
Sure.
make things easier, right? And you know, for the creatives out there that are using Suno, like about Rio, I don't know you guys know him, Riaho, the one Suka.
Oh,
You
yeah,
know,
yeah,
that guy. For the creatives that are using Suno, you know, you can use it, but if you're gonna use it, then at least don't use it for the whole project, right? But rather use a certain part, right? Like if okay, let's just say, you know, sometimes it's expensive, right, to find a vocalist, right?
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
somebody like, because nowadays vocalists, even if you're looking for a feature, they want money, you know, everything nowadays
Yazi le ngoma le
So,
yazi le
can I
ngoma
say
le yaga
something?
Unculate 40,000 for ifi
Yeah,
chayman
yeah,
now
yeah.
ngeke
No. Like
Ma'am.
can you
Wait, can I finish?
Sithi wait yini le awuthile nimphuziseni lo muntu lo uphuzeni
No,
like energetic
I
uthoke TV
I tried.
some like
I
umuntu
tried.
like surely you are even struggling to finish your points ne? in each and every sentence he has something to say
Sandan,
I want to be a
Sandan,
music
Sandan,
I think I have to be a
Sandan,
musician
Sandan.
let me try this Man, shut- do a freestyle
Sandan.
What's wrong, bro?
Sandan.
What's wrong?
Wabana ngiphethe
mina
gear.
mina
Ngiphethe
mngani
gear.
mina
Ubona
noma
ngiphethe gear.
mina noma nganazandla
Uyabona
masingashuba
ngiphethe
la
gear. Ngizokushaya ngenqindi.
noma nganazandla masingashuba
Ngizokushaya
masingashuba la
ngenqindi.
masingashuba la
Okay, fair,
Hayi mina.
Ngizokushaya ngenqindi.
Not me, my brother.
Ngizokushaya ngenqindi.
Not me.
Woza nawe.
Let's not
Yes.
dwell on it.
Yeah, let's not
Yeah,
dwell
yeah,
on
yeah.
it
But
too much,
yeah, like I was,
Jokes, guys. Yeah.
but yeah, like as I was saying, which, you know, if you're a creative, you know, at least try to make sure that your project, you know, like at least maybe 40% of your project, yes, it was assisted by AI, right? And then the other 60%, then you can
How
add
many
maybe
percent before
40%. You know, I feel like
Okay, 40%.
you shouldn't go 40%.
40% like by
AI.
you.
AI,
No, by you.
40%.
40% by you, 60% by
No,
AI.
No.
the opposite.
Oh, man,
So
I'm
yeah, so
drunk.
so now that's just like my thought process on the, you know, the
Suno
whole thing
thing.
of AI. But at the end of the day, man, AI is just, it's here to make our lives easier. you know,
Nah,
honestly.
man, I'm against it.
Yeah.
Jepa.
Wait, can I finish? You know, and then you'll share your opinion. But I feel like it's there to make our lives easier. You know,
Sure.
you know, in terms of like, you know, for me, like I can't like nothing. I can't I can't even begin to mention like how much information, like how much I've actually learned, like in terms of information gathering, from what I got, like the information that I got from AI. So for me, AI to a certain degree, it has helped me a lot, right? Like even with strategy, right? Like with my career, right? Like
so
because
like,
there was a time when I was struggling.
can I say something?
Wait.
No, like
Because there was a time because there was a time, right, like when I was like struggling to get gigs, and I went to AI and I was like, help me, like strategy, help me strategy wise, like how can I position myself, right, as a up and coming DJ, and put myself in a better position to get gigs, right? And then it helped me, like even with email drafting, like I can now draft better emails because of AI. Like now, like when I used to draft emails back then, I never paid attention to the subject tab, right? I never paid attention to the fact that emails shouldn't be detailed. It should be short and straight to the point, right? So it's informative if used in the right way. But yes, like everything else, emhlabeni, there's always gonna be negative points about artificial intelligence. You can now share.
I don't.
Like, can I say something? Like, do you believe in like Licompo will take over Amapiano?
We will get there. No, we will get
No,
there. It's
no,
a
no,
topic
no,
for
no,
some.
like, relax.
Let's
No,
finish
you'll
the
share your
point.
chaos.
Yes.
Uncle-
Yeah, I wanna- oh shit, Bafetu. Nkala, next time don't drink Ntwana if you think. Yeah. Let's close the topic first. What's wrong, Cow? Are you fine?
What's okay?
Are you
with
healthy?
thoughts?
No, let
like,
me JPA, I don't want to dwell into that, but I just have something to say, then we'll close it over there. I think AI is destroying our minds. It's destroying our creativity. It decreases the capabilities of umuntu izinto angazenza. Get it?
And
I feel like
but then AI helps you.
It
like,
helps. Yes, it
you go
helps.
to see the during your high school times. If ever in a single AI, like Ngabo say who you are today.
that's why I was mentioning like
It helps.
you can
Kalush,
use it. It has its
Kalush,
own
Kalush,
benefits.
Prove me wrong.
No, we are not
wrong.
we are not
We are not
disagreeing.
disagreeing.
As
What is
siphikisi.
AI like him to so ebe the person.
No.
Never.
No, we are not. You're not
Never.
understanding, bro.
Never.
Wait, Barring, they are saying, Hore, AI, yes, it's useful. Ne.
But it's
But
about how you use it.
It's
Saying
how
Abana
you
once
use
what's
it.
your bad kukoto.
okay.
Like my
wow.
banner.
Kalushi, what's your chaotic thought?
My
Shit,
chaotic
young
thoughts.
Temuchi Vanuang stress. Yo, like, yo,
What's your stress?
on
My
senior
chaotic-
stress, encha.
And
It
if
is.
ever in
Bafethu.
Yeah.
This
But
guy is the
focusing.
problem.
My
yeah.
chaotic-
chaotic thoughts.
This guy is no, maybe please
Not
reprimand this guy
chaotic
2 minutes
setting.
of the time. Sorry, Kalushi.
Chaotic thoughts.
Actually, no.
2 minutes of the time.
Sorry, man.
Let them
Sorry,
reprimand
man.
me.
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Giovanni, stop what you are doing. bro.
Excellent.
Give a person a
Ma-
chance
To
to talk.
finish.
Chaotic
We are
thoughts,
given
yeah.
time here.
See, my
okay,
face.
sure.
Man,
Yeah.
I'm face.
Yeah, now we can move over
So
to
we can
now.
move on to you.
My chaotic thoughts is the make G shuffle. Oh,
Yeah.
I know it happened like long ago,
Yeah, yeah.
like very long ago, but I feel like it would be much more nicer and much more accommodative if like they maybe included
Disability.
Disability.
not a disability podcast as a whole, maybe
then-
like a disabled host
Yeah.
at least
Shout
who
out.
can
Shout out,
speak
Shout out.
our
Yeah.
perspective. You
Shout
get what
out.
I mean?
But you know what
But- Okay.
can
yeah,
I just
yeah.
add something?
Mm.
I feel like the problem, the reason why we don't actually have somebody like there was not even consideration is because it's about representation, guys. Yeah, but we don't really have. I'm not even sure if we do have a
Yeah, we
disabled influencer.
Yeah, we
Understand?
A
So-
disabled influencer.
Mm.
Ah,
Like,
it's
No,
not
it's
anything
you.
else,
It's
man.
you.
No,
It's you.
They are
You're
there,
not
but
a
we are
girl.
You're one of them.
I'm one of them, but
You're one of
we are
them.
not.
He's
not
one of
We are
them.
not in that
Nationally,
level.
no.
I highly
Not
doubt.
as
we
big.
would-
Do you disagree with that? He's
wait,
one of them.
wait.
No, I'm one of them for sure.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
I have more than
I agree
100,000
with
K
that.
followers. Yes,
1
But
million view,
how-
2 million view, 2 million likes.
more than 3 million likes. But like,
But you see, okay,
to
okay.
add on
Let
that, I highly doubt
let me-
that
let
Uguti,
me-
like McG knows me.
Let me.
So what
that's-
I wanted to say, Uguti, I
No,
I
like-
agree with you, Gule point Uguti. McG might not know influencer is disabled,
No, like you know.
but it takes you
Okay,
10
you see,
minutes.
okay.
It takes McG 10 minutes to reach anyone or disabled. McG is big. It takes McG 10 minutes ukuthi reach umuntu disabled. That's what I'm going to say.
It's even less. It's
Yeah,
even
man.
less.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know, with your situation, right? Your position. I feel like it comes back to how you have positioned yourself, right? So, especially with social media. Social media it can be very positive, right? Or it can be very, I'm not saying it can be very beneficial for you if you position yourself like the right way, like you position yourself properly, right? So on TikTok you should position yourself as a podcaster, right? Somebody who features in podcasts, who has his own show, right? You should clearly state that. You should post your clips, right? With the reach that you already have, I feel like the algorithm, you shouldn't have a problem, right? Getting interaction, you understand? But then now, because I don't know how long you've been podcasting, but I'm gonna assume you haven't been doing that like for so.
Been like,
I've planned this
third
podcast.
Mm.
I've planned this podcast for
A
like
year.
a year plus. But yeah, this is our
months.
first month even
Okay,
doing
you see,
the
Then we're gonna
podcasting.
get there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like as in everything in life, there's a process, right, to everything. So it's about positioning, posting your clips. You should start aggressively doing that, right? And then by that you are gonna pop across, somebody like McG's feed. You don't even need to you don't even need McG yet, you just need to find another platform, right, that is also big, to discover you, and then you can just start collaborating with them. So but then it's not something that is just gonna happen like
For sure.
it's gonna
Within
take
a blink
time,
of an eye, then
but also focus on growing your
this
platform,
podcast,
because that's like people like that are there at the top. I would advise people to just use them as motivation, right?
Yeah.
Don't aim to get into their circle, right? But use them, like I said, as a mirror, and then try to apply what they are applying to what you're trying to do, and then chances are your show will.
For sure.
So what's your
Fine,
so like, can I ask you a question, Mwageti? So what's your chaotic thought?
My chaotic thought, gents. My
I want that interaction. I like that.
My chaotic thought, gents, is
No, like, can I please get that interaction?
Cho kwenye nenye. Ulo mfano make it Adams, aka short staff. Cho kwenye nenye. Guys, without wasting time, my chaotic thought is people in positions with no qualifications, right? Abantu bayafunda la ngaphandle, then they are unemployed kanti kunabantu abangene nje. So I'm going to read this for you all. It's alleged.
A lot of corruption.
It's alleged.
Yeah.
So I'm going to read everything.
Kwanaze, I just hope like you watching this. Sheba. So kipela ama facts.
So as I said, my research says there are a few South African government and police officials who have been publicly accused, investigated, or criticized over qualifications, experience, or suitability for their positions in 2025 to 2026. Then there is proven fraud or fake qualifications, allegations under investigation.
Can I say something?
Let me
Wait.
finish.
Oh, wait.
No. Okay.
Oh. Public criticism and lack of qualifications. Here are some notable. Okay, there is Noxolo Yvette. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it well. She was mentioned in an SIU related controversy involving allegations that postgraduate degrees may have been obtained without meeting normal academic requirements.
Yeah.
There are allegations and investigations, not a criminal conviction. Ne? Then there is Mohau Peko. Reports resurfaced around claims that she falsely presented herself as holding a PhD. Falsely. And I doubt good love want to be arrested.
Leshano.
There is Lesedi Mabilecha, Parliament Social Development Committee said PSC findings showed she allegedly misrepresented qualifications and experience while serving in ministerial office roles.
Leshano. Yes.
I doubt they are arrested, by the way. Police officials and leadership controversies. There is also Ufani Masemola. Nyamas.
Yeah, Masemola. Yeah,
What am I doing? Sorry for that. Ish. There is Fani Masemola. He has been facing corruption-related allegations linked to subs, contracts, but not fake qualification allegation. Especially some public criticism online question competency and appointments in subs leadership general. Several unnamed senior subs officers were arrested for investigated in 2026 corruption probes involving procurement and contracts. Yeah, that's all. To add, this is a lot, man. I want to read all of this.
Don't go any further.
And nalento leyo ukuthi people in law or government working nabantu for corruption. For example, icase ka Ket Matlala. Bekunamaphoyisa involved. Look at Abo Mkhwanazi.
Not amaphoyisa.
Bekunobheka icele. Allegedly.
Bheka icele.
Yeah.
You know, with South Africa, Buffett, corruption is high, and it's at a point where even if it's being exposed, like
so
what is being done to prevent, corruption, like what is our government doing?
Yeah.
What is our government doing?
Like government is based like government like your neighbor like original boyone ne. Kiditsotsi. Like government boyone kiditsotsi. When if you were part of the government, like you would have done.
Not everyone. Not everyone.
They are.
Oh, listen. Jita, whoa. I think with the government, I feel like they are doing something behind the covers and everything. I feel like they won't be documenting everything for everybody to see. But at the current moment, at the way things are going, I feel like they're doing something. Because if you look properly, there is some small changes happening.
Which small change?
In South Africa.
Look at how Labantu Lava bangena HLF for 24 hours, then come out.
People are getting arrested. No, don't worry. Those people, their time is
gonna yes, we
Julius
Mkhwanazi.
Yes, sorry. But yes, we are seeing, a lot of arrests that are happening, right?
Yeah.
But
like guys, have you seen that person like who was saying like we are shigisha? Which person? Like the guy is from Kuma, but then he was talking about like the illegal mining. No, like what's talking like
okay, but as I was saying,
another 30 seconds. Let's reprimand him.
So basically, like, so yeah, man, like we are seeing, right, when it comes to there are arrests that are happening, right? These baddies that we are living off, taxpayers' money, and they are
May I please say something after you?
blessers, they are getting exposed. Right? But now we want to see the hand of justice.
We can't have two topics at the same time.
Take its due. We want to see the hand of justice basically acting, right? Because an arrest is an arrest. You can post bail, when you're arrested, right? But now we want to see these people get taken to court, because the money that these people have stolen is the taxpayers' money. A lot of people are contributing to the tax, right, as a means of upholding, right, the economy of this country. But you have people, like those individuals that are stealing, the funds that a lot of people are working for, with no remorse, right, with no consideration of the implications that it might have in our country. But yeah, you can
please repeat what you said about baddies.
The baddie lifestyle, what I was basically mentioning is that, like, the baddies, the baddies and their sugar daddies that were funding their lifestyles are now being exposed.
Do you know the story about Usain Bolt?
Yes.
Yeah, Usain Bolt is one of them.
Usain Bolt is one of them. Yeah, I want us to maybe please just quickly talk about that. But let's not blame baddies.
Yeah.
Please.
Honestly.
And to those who blame Cyan, let's not blame Cyan. Even if Leo Montuloyo gave Cyan that 10 million, Cyan is not at fault. Cyan did no corruption.
Bella, she's not the one that actually.
She's not the one
who spent the money from the government.
And it's not her fault to with the pretty privileges and accept.
But I also understand why also people are angry.
Why?
Because that's the country's money, bro. Yes. I know that. I know that. She might have not been aware, right, of where the money was coming from, right? But paying tax and fees, contributing, your share to the economy, only for it to be taken to fund a lifestyle of a baby, while majority of the black population continue to live in poverty. It maddens people. So it's also understandable, yes, it's not a fault, it's not a fault, but it's also, you can't fault people for being angry, especially especially for people that a lot of people that are living below the poverty line, like in Klupego mfethu, and when you see, when are you doing you're contributing your share, to the country, and then that money is going to find lifestyles. In fact, we have a lot of potholes at Ratini.
Yeah,
there's
but
no
then,
maintenance.
Can I say something?
So it's really upsetting.
Can I say something? But then, based on the potholes, like if ever a punch, but then if ever a punch and more like a pothole, ne, based on Johannesburg, ne, you can go to the municipality and you should take a picture like
but then
you are being honest, but
how is that helping? How is that helping? Because that money that they are taking to also reimburse the people that are experiencing punches through potholes it's coming from it's the taxpayers' money.
But then
so how is that
now
helping?
What I'm saying,
what we want
is to fix the road.
Is road maintenance.
As long and 12 is sharp.
Hey, that's what we are looking.
Shit. This is not about me. This is not about you.
Not about you.
This is not about Northwest. This is about in general. This is about South Africa.
That's what I'm saying.
Potholes in general.
Potholes, municipality it all provide Zaka a tire.
How when they are
Yes,
spending
even
the cash
like,
on babies.
sharp, even if it's
Okay,
fine.
okay,
like
okay,
it.
okay,
Okay.
Bafethu, because isikhathi siyahamba, can we
A
move
game,
on
a
to
game, a game.
No,
Yeah.
whose chaotic thought is it now?
Yeah,
No,
this
just
game.
what
Go
the-
back
Just what they did.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry for that.
game, ne?
Mm.
Where's the gaming game of it?
Mm.
Asidlaleni leza nje kushining
Call,
back.
call,
Cause
someone that you think
She's interested
she
in you.
or he is gonna help you out
I wanna
whenever you're in
game.
trouble.
maybe
who's
a
gonna
time
help
dog.
me out?
He or she. Yeah.
My
Asidlaleni-
sister. Oh,
Call.
Phone again.
Let's forget it.
Call,
Let's
call,
forget it.
call it,
Forget
call
it,
it,
dog.
Call. Neto ka tshwara.
Nigga, anyone who I can call can
Neto ka
send.
tshwara.
Okay, who do you want me to call?
Anyone.
Who can forward?
Olo down sa mathateng.
Code. Can I have my phone real quick?
Who should I call?
Anyone.
Should I maybe call Shaba Wama
Sharp.
2K?
Sharp.
Should I maybe call Fezela?
Anyone. O tla direla gore o tla go tla
Should I maybe call Mduva?
Thank you.
call Cody.
Should I maybe call Cody?
Cody, would you help me like whenever I'm in a problem?
Akaqavi, dog.
Thank you. Yeah.
Akaqavi, dog.
But yeah, man.
don't
But
have you, dog.
let's.
Call a name.
Nah, man. We did
Call
that.
him,
It's fine.
I wanna hear that.
What do you want to hear? Shit.
No, I wanna hear something. No.
Loud there, guys. Whenever we are shooting, Cody, I think there should be no more alcohol now, ne? Because of this shit.
You are drunk too.
Nah, yeah, not to that
Give
extent.
Give me a high five.
Nah,
Give
sugar.
me a high five. You
Ah,
give me a 150, but you say you're not drunk.
Ah, sugar. Ina, I think you tell us something. Yes, I,
Cotton,
listen. You wanna people like you, ne? When you
You
pray,
like me?
no, yeah, people
You
like
like me?
no, people like you.
No, not people like me.
Let me finish
Do
my
you like me?
sentence. I won't answer that. I don't like men.
No, I want to listen to you.
Are you
then.
going to allow me to? Okay.
No.
I'll
Let
talk
him
to you,
finish,
Jeff. It's fine. People like him, ne?
Mm.
When they brag about, for example, Magang Koshara Ngoguti, high five, what?
Mm.
It's simple. Those are facts.
Mm.
Uguti, yes, I don't have hands. Yes, I don't
But
have
then-
1, 2, 3.
But then.
Am I allowed to also brag?
No, why must
Yes?
No, like Jeep.
Okay, let's
no,
not
Jeep.
go there. It's fine.
Tell him to say, like Jeep, Mtonam, ne,
Mm.
Mtonam angithi.
Mm.
Nah, I don't put you on a spotlight when everywhere.
Ithi ngikutshela.
Peggy
I'm
Mike,
like a
dog.
spotlight in.
Peggy Mike.
Ithi uyangibeka spotlighting. I'm aware.
I don't push you on a
You
spotlight.
do, and you are my hot man. I'm aware, but I have something to tell you. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. One sentence.
Do you know that I like you?
I know, I'm aware.
You aware? Of,
Yes, and I like you too. But let me tell you something.
Utshwala
buyakhula.
Now.
All right.
Utshwala
All right.
buyakhula.
All right.
Utshwala-
Can we move on, Bafethu?
Can we move on?
Ngizogaya ukholi ama video wakho.
But do you see, but ukuthi Iva lento le. Ushithi uthi uyavana, but we are aware
Giovanni,
what's
dog, can we
happening
move
here,
on,
bro.
Mfethu?
Nah, ngikhuluma nento.
Can we move on? Yeah, dog.
Ngizo-
We
ngizo-
are
ngizo-
we are not
ngizo-
arguing.
talk-
We are having
ngizo-
conversation.
We are having a
Show.
conversation. We are not arguing.
Chat,
Thank you
chat,
very
chat,
much.
I'm gonna give Cody all videos
To do what about them?
to show the public that
I
how
get drunk.
how happy you are when you with me.
Yes, I do drink alcohol, but I don't get drunk as you are.
Oh.
Emsebenzini. We are at work here. We are at
Okay,
work.
okay. No more.
You are talking unrelated things.
Relax.
Okay, it's fine. Let's move on to a game. See if this thing.
Call her bestie dog.
Nah, man, let's not do the call thing. We've
Yeah,
been playing that
Call
for
her
a while.
girlfriend.
No, let's not
Nah,
do that.
let's
We're
not do
gonna-
that, man.
no,
Let's.
If you guys don't have other games ideas, then
Ngifuna shine izandla.
Mm.
Leyo kuchiftisa isandla kanje.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
Come, ngifuna ukuyikhipha
It's fine.
imkani. I'm starting. Go. Ayike kawu sharp.
Hey,
Sharp.
sharp.
Usile wena.
Sharp.
Ukasho movie editor yini phela?
Move the mic.
Come closer, let's not win the mic. Say like it. For being drunk at work.
Shit, Mikey.
Mikey. Thank you very much for this.
I love you, sir.
Thank you.
I love you, sir. My
Till
next
brother-in-law. My brother-in-law.
Till
Yeah,
next
Let's
time.
close this. The mics.
Are you proud?
You're
Are you proud of
gonna
being my
feel
brother-in-law?
Till next
I'm
time.
proud,
Are you
Ninja.
proud?
Kasi vale nikiren, but let's close this
One on one
properly.
signing out.
Guys,
Can I make a
we are
prayer?
sorry for it.
Can I make a prayer?
Yeah, let's close it. Then we'll close it with a prayer.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Bafetu. This is Unmuted Chaos podcast episode 3. Dope episode. If you've reached to this part level or whatever, make sure you like, subscribe, comment. More is coming. Tell us more. What should we change? Where should we adapt? And yeah, man. Hopefully, so figure good level. And let's end this with a prayer.
Babuzo ukuthi bathanda mina okajani.
This guy changed this whole this whole episode was about him.
What is this?
I even
Shantu.
Let's stop.
Can I make a prayer? Can I make a closing prayer, guys?
Yeah.
Can I make a closing? Okay, can I close? Ngalo khumbule camp bro. No, like.
God is going to hear our prayer.
It's fine, let's just pray.
Ntatemdimo konyana ya lehodimo kopa o sireletse tsamayo re tsamayang ke kopa bophelo ho wena o re sireletse tseleng e re tsamayang re kopa matla ho wena o re tsebise ka lebitso la ntate la morela morella ntata gona modimo bitso la lekgethe a tle mmuso wa hao thata etsa lefatsheng jwalo ka tsa lodimo se re se melekong empa go etse melekong Our Father what in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. And forgive us our daily bread.
Yeah, guys, it's fine. No. Amen. Thank you very much. We love you all. Shout out.
Our daily praise.
No, like him. Emma Cody, did you cut this, Moose?
Yeah.